Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use this item to make almost any dress into like a two-piece set. So if you've done the style showdown, if you've done part of the Baddie Pass, you know you get this top over here and you can actually make dresses become, I guess, like a two-piece set. So I'm just going to select this and I'll try it with some dresses over here. What about this one? Okay, it doesn't work with that one. Let's see. I think it worked with the like Elsa dress. Oops, that is not it. This one, as you can see, it made it into like a two-piece set. I mean, you can't really see clearly. Let me just change the color into like, I don't know, this color maybe. And then the dress as well, so you guys can kind of see. It makes it into like a two-piece set. What else does it work with? I think this one too, like the style showdown dress. It makes it into a two-piece set, as you can see here. It's not the cleanest like look. You can try it with a lot of the dresses, like this one too. It's like a two-piece now. And then maybe, I don't know, you can just try it on with a bunch of different dresses. As you can see, it does work. It doesn't work with every single dress, but you can just try, like for instance this one, it doesn't work, but some of the dresses it does make it into a two-piece set. I do like it the best with the Elsa one though, because you can clearly see it like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!